Cough and cold season is here, and instead of reaching for over-the-counter medicine, what if you could soothe your symptoms naturally with herbs straight from your kitchen or garden? In today's video, we'll explore the best herbal remedies for colds, coughs, and congestion, including powerful teas, tinctures, and topical treatments to help you and your loved ones feel better faster. Stay tuned for some easy-to-follow recipes that you can make at home. Why use natural herbal remedies for cough and cold? They boost immunity and help your body fight off infections. They soothe sore throats, congestion, and inflammation naturally. They contain powerful plant compounds that support healing without harmful side effects. Many ingredients are affordable and easy to find in your local grocery store or garden. Here are some herbal teas for cough and cold relief. Soothing ginger, lemon, honey tea for immune boosting and anti-inflammatory. This classic tea is warming, soothing, and perfect for sore throats and congestion. Here are your ingredients. 1-inch fresh ginger root used as anti-inflammatory and relieves nausea. 1 tablespoon lemon juice high in vitamin C and detoxifying. 1 tablespoon raw honey since it's antibacterial and soothes sore throats. 2 cups hot water. Directions. First, slice ginger into thin pieces and add to boiling water. Let it simmer for 10 minutes. Next, strain and pour into a cup. Add lemon juice and honey. Lastly, stir well and sip slowly. Drink 2-3 times daily for best results. Here is a pro tip. Add a pinch of cayenne pepper to help break up mucus and clear congestion. Thyme and peppermint tea used as a natural decongestant and cough reliever. Thyme is a powerful expectorant that helps loosen mucus, while peppermint acts as a natural decongestant. Ingredients needed. 1 tablespoon dried thyme, which loosens mucus and is antibacterial. 1 tablespoon dried peppermint helps to clear sinuses and soothes throat. 1 tsp honey optional for extra soothing benefits. 2 cups boiling water. Directions. Place thyme and peppermint in a cup and pour boiling water over them. Cover and let steep for 10 minutes. Strain, add honey if desired, and drink warm. Your pro tip. Breathe in the steam while sipping to open up your nasal passages. Elderberry immune boosting tea is a powerful antiviral and immune supporter. Elderberries are rich in antioxidants and flavonoids, helping the body fight off viruses. Ingredients. 2 tablespoon dried elderberries used for antiviral and immune boosting properties. 1-inch piece of cinnamon stick, which is an anti-inflammatory. 2 cups water. 1 tsp raw honey optional for taste and soothing benefits. Directions. Add elderberries and cinnamon stick to boiling water. Simmer for 15 minutes, then strain. Let cool slightly, add honey if desired, and enjoy. Your pro tip. Make a large batch and store it in the fridge for up to 3 days for easy reheating. Creating DIY herbal tinctures for cough and cold relief are pretty simple and beneficial. Tinctures are highly concentrated herbal extracts that you can take by the dropperful for quick relief. Here are some examples of great tinctures you can make at home. Garlic and honey. Cold-fighting tincture is antibacterial and immune boosting. Garlic is a natural antibiotic, and honey soothes the throat while boosting immunity. Ingredients needed. 5 or 6 cloves of garlic minced. 1 cup raw honey. 1/2 cup apple cider vinegar, which is optional, but suggested for extra immune benefits. Directions. Place minced garlic in a jar and cover with honey. Add apple cider vinegar if using. Let it sit for at least 24 hours or slightly longer for stronger potency. Strain and store in a glass bottle. Suggested dosage. Take 1 teaspoon every few hours at the first sign of a cold. Your pro tip. Mix it into warm water or tea for an easier way to take it. Echinacea and ginger tincture for immune strengthening and cold prevention. Echinacea is a powerful immune booster that helps shorten the duration of colds. Ingredients. 1 cup dried echinacea root. 1-inch piece of fresh ginger sliced. 1 cup vodka or apple cider vinegar. Directions. Place herbs in a glass jar and cover with alcohol or vinegar. Seal and store in a cool, dark place for 4 to 6 weeks, shaking occasionally. Strain and store in a dropper bottle. Suggested dosage. Take 1 to 2 dropperfuls daily during cold season. Your pro tip. Add to tea or juice for easier consumption. There are also topical remedies for cold and cough relief that you can also make. DIY Vapor Chest. Rub a natural alternative to Vicks. This rub helps relieve congestion and open up airways. And ingredients needed. 1/2 cup coconut oil. This is your carrier oil. 10 drops eucalyptus essential oil. 10 drops peppermint essential oil. 5 drops tea tree essential oil. Directions: melt coconut oil and mix in essential oils. Store in a small jar and apply to chest, neck, and back before bed. Your pro tip: for extra relief, rub it on the soles of your feet and wear socks overnight. Herbs have been used for centuries to support health naturally, and with these DIY teas, tinctures, and topical remedies, you can keep your immune system strong and recover faster from seasonal colds and coughs. Which remedy are you most excited to try? Comment below and let me know. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more natural healing tips.